Nyaka ne chak duond bura mar UDA oyangore duond bura no koro dhi tayo welo mage kokalo yore manyasani mag mbui e jal madhi dhi tingo tiko mar yiero maduong' mabiro e yiero madundo ma Baringo. Gilero ni okang' makamano dhi chiwo yot kendo keto ler e tijgi mopogore kod ywak kod achid nade mosebede. E yiero madundo mar senet ma Baringo bang' tho mar William Cheptumo, oganda rito neno ka okang' mar UDA okawo nyalo chiwo ratiro kendo tiko ywak mathoth mag omaya. Mokuom jok mageto komno otigo Kipromo Chemitie, Wycliffe Tobole kod Dickson Kipto. Komachielo e bura mane obagi kod jakom UDA Anthony Mwaura e gwenge mag Marigat, Mwaura yango ni duond bura no chano tiyo kod yore mbui.
This process will be seamless, it will be fair, it will be verifiable, and we don't foresee any logistical problem because we have started preparing. The gadgets have been prepared, they are ready. We start moving from Nairobi from tomorrow. And my name member, Mary, will be coming with the gadgets on Wednesday and start preparing the logistics on the ground. And it will be seamless, and I can tell you for sure, watch this space.
We have been able to sensitize our members of what they are expected to do because our party is guided by rules and procedures. We have shared that with them. They have also given feedback on areas where they feel intervention may be required, how they would like things to be done, a participatory process, including in a manner of appointment of election officials, such that eventually it would be our desire that there will be no dispute.
So when they sit down and feel that it is proper to use electronic, we have no doubt that they will do it to their best.
To me, it will, to a larger percentage or a greater percentage, eliminate high chances of, electoral